Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to 8 days of Workato learning challenge, and this is the day 4. Meet my Workato agent. So today I'm gonna showcase you the agent that I have created for IT help desk and support. So the basic workflow is it will gather the information, provide the solutions, and offering the troubleshooting issues, and also escalates ticket or technical team if needed. Okay. So let me walk you through the agent. Okay, let's move on to the screen. So to create an agent, we have to create a genie first. So click on create and click on genie. You have to describe what your genie needs to be done or what your agent needs to focus on. Yeah. So I have created a genie, which is myself, and I have named it as Flash. Let's open the Flash. So once you create your genie, you will be seeing this screen. So this screen basically you have to make some adjustments and changes to it. So here you can see the powered by and the chat interface. Okay. So here the powered by is LLM. So basically an agent needs three fundamentals, which is one is LLM, another one is knowledge and skills. So first we have to configure the LLM, which I opted for Open AI GPT 4.1 and along with the chat interface. So we will be having three chat interface: Workato Go, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. So I have opted for Workato Go. Okay. So once this is done, we have to configure the end user. So to add the end user, here I have already added. So let me take you to how we add the end users here. So you have to navigate to Workato admin, workspace admin, and the end users. You can invite whomever you want to give access to this agent. I have invited myself for now. Once this is done, you will be able to add the end users here. Okay. So let's once that is done, you need to update the job description. So I have updated the job description, and this is the CiscoTech, which is an hypothetical company. I have added the role for my Flash and the workflow. Workflow will have troubleshooting, policy questions, escalate the tickets, and I have provided example categories to make it understand better. Once this all is done, we'll go ahead and configure our Workato Go workspace. I mean the chat interface. So for that, I have to go to AI Hub, click on Workato Go, and you have to add the subdomain. I have added my subdomain. Let's copy this entire domain and paste it here. So in starting, you may need to create your account with the email and password. So then only you can able to access this Workato Go. Okay. And this is ready, and let's go into a genies, and the genie is started. Okay, let's see if we able to see the genies. So here I'll go to AI genies. Yeah, we are able to see our genie, which is Flash. So once this is done, once the job description is updated, everything, then you have to add the knowledge base. So the knowledge base is the second step. First we added LLM, job description, and the knowledge base. So knowledge base will contains policy documents and all the company related things, which is organization related details. So let's open this. I have created a knowledge base called CiscoTech Helpdesk, and to ingest the document, I have created another recipe with Workato file storage as a source. So I'll be reading or listening the Cisco Tech folder in the Workato file storage. Whenever a new folder or new file in that folder, it will trigger and it will update the knowledge base. So this is right. And once this is done, let's create a skill. To create skill, have to go and add new skill, create new skill. Since I have already created one skill, let's not create another one. So we'll just open this. This is to create an incident in ServiceNow. Let's open this. Here the trigger is start in Genie. So to configure this, we have to provide the description when to execute this skill. So this will make the Genie understand or agent understand the requirements to execute this particular recipe. So this recipe what or this skill what it does is or the description. So it requires particular fields to create the incident like description, summary, due date, and it will return the incident number to the as the response to the users. Okay, so let's open the create record. We have selected the incident table and we have mapped the description, short description, and the due date along with the username. So username is the user who is requesting or who is trying to uh, get the issue resolved. Okay, or you can say who is chatting with that Genie, the user, and we are returning the incident number back to the users. Once you all the setup is done, you go and start your skill and click on exit, start your Genie, and let's give a try of our Genie how it works. Let's chat with my Flash. Let's ask, hi Flash. Hello. As we described the workflow, it should greet first. It is doing that. Let's continue our chat. Facing issue while connecting to the VPN. Help me this issue. This is giving the response. I mean, it's also providing the solutions. Try to, and it's asking what is the error message, what step have you already tried, and what operating system that you are using. So let's go ahead and give those informations. I'm not seeing any messages. Have tried restarting the system and I'm using Windows OS. Oh, misspelled. That's fine. It has gathered all the information and it's still try to solutions provide. I don't want this. I have to raise a ticket. I'll just go ahead. Please raise a support ticket to resolve my issue. Let's see. Started creating ServiceNow incident. It created and it has provided the incident number as the response. Let's go and see if the incident is created or not. I think this is the one, right? Yeah. No. VPN. Yes. We got this. Here the caller is the user, which is me, and the short description and the description. Yeah, this is great. And you can see the Jira issue is already created. Why is this? Because we have in the day 2 challenge, we have created a recipe to sync the incidents to Jira. So that flow triggered and also created the Jira issue as well. Let's go and see that one as well. Yep, got Scrum 9, Windows OS. Perfect. Yeah, let's thank it. Thanks Yep, that's it, guys, for today. And hope you guys learned how to create an agent. Yeah, let's meet you on the next challenge. Until then, keep automating, keep integrating, and start using these agents. This was very cool. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.